Today we will learn Piglet origami. Before we start, let's learn more about the facts about Piglet. Number 1. Piglet made his first appearance in A. Milne's book, named Winnie the Pooh, which was published in 1926. He is the timid and phobic friend of Winnie the Pooh. Number 2. Just like Winnie the Pooh and the other friends, Piglet lives in the 100-acre wood. He lives in a beech tree that he likes to keep neat and tidy. Number 3. While Piglet is well known for his bright pink jumper, that wasn't how he originally appeared. The earliest color images of Piglet, drawn by Ernest H. Shepard, showed him wearing a more subdued green jumper. Number 4. According to Piglet, he has a great-grandfather named Trespassers William. He knows this because there is a partial sign in front of his house that reads Trespasser Will. Number 5. Like Winnie the Pooh, the character of Piglet was based on a stuffed toy that was owned by the real Christopher Robin. Today, you can see the toy on display in the New York Public Library. Let's start the origami. First, fold the paper in half. Then, unfold it. Now, fold the paper in half horizontally. Fold the paper from right to the center along the dotted line. Unfold it. Repeat the step to the left side. Fold the top of the paper to the center along the dotted line. Fold the right side of the paper inwards to meet the crease. Repeat the step. Do the same to the top of the paper. Fold the corner of the paper up. You will see a small triangle. Open up the paper, push it outwards, and make it flat. Repeat the step to the left side of the paper. Flip the paper over. Then, fold the bottom of the paper up along the dotted line. Flip the paper over again. Fold the right side of the paper inwards. Repeat to the left side. Open up the paper and push it outwards. Fold the paper down along the dotted line. Fold that part of the paper upwards. This is to form the ears of Piglet. Fold the corner inwards. Again, fold both the corners at the bottom inwards. We can now see the outline of Piglet. Flip the paper over. Now, we use a red color pencil to color the ears. Flip the paper over again. Fold the edge of the paper to complete the ears. Now, it's time to draw the face.